Hi everybody. The other day I went to my mailbox and this company had sent me 2 bags of But That chicken. This one is just seasoned and this one is hot and spicy. I chose the hot and spicy. The directions on the back tell you how to cook it. You can bake it, you can do it in the air fryer, or you can fry it. Tells you how to do all of them. So, the first of the directions is to put 5 tablespoons of your seasoning mix into a 1/2 cup of water, and well, let me see here. I'm only going to cook 4 pieces. So let's see. It says to put your chicken in this mixture. It doesn't say to leave it in there any amount of time, just put it in there. And then put it in the actual dry mixture. Just says to put however much you need in the dry bowl. I'm just cutting along this bone like Brenda Gant said do. To be sure that it gets cooked well. I'm doing mine in the air fryer. Ouch. It says no egg wash needed and no additional seasoning needed. So I'm glad of that. Alright, I'm going to finish doing these and I'll bring you back. Well, the directions say to put them in the air fryer, then spray the tops of them to with oil. Then cook them for 25 minutes at 400, but turn them halfway through, and we'll be back when that happens. Well, we're back, and it has been 25 minutes. I had 2 pieces of chicken. I ate one. Sam ate both of his. This chicken mix is excellent. And I didn't ask them to send it to me. They sent it. And wanted me to try it out. And I'll tell you, the hot and spicy is hot and spicy. I haven't tried the seasoned, but it's really good. And like I said, the directions are on the back. It tells you how to cook it all 3 ways. Whoop. And if you want to try some, you go to their website, which is www.but, and then that in all capital letters, and then chicken. And they're made in, this is made in Atlanta, Georgia. And But That Chicken is all one word, .com. So I urge you to try it. And I checked this chicken with a thermometer when my 25 minutes were up. Now this has been in there for quite a while because I was in the other room. So, but it was perfectly done. Perfectly done. I'm not sure now though. Yeah, I guess so. It was crispy, and it didn't need any other seasoning, not even salt. So give it a try, y'all. It was really good. Very good. So, I'm just going to urge you to try it. It's very good. In fact, I'm thinking of mixing both of these, the hot and spicy and the seasoned, together. So, each bag, they said, does a 5-pound chicken. So, I'll be able to do 10 pounds of chicken now. Let me cut this better. I can't. Thighs are kind of hard to cut. Oh well. I'll just tell you, it's delicious. It is really good. So, give it a try. Sam loved it. He ate both pieces of his chicken and green beans. He didn't want a potato, but I did, so I saved my potato till I did the demo at the end. I didn't eat it with my first piece of chicken. So I hope you enjoy this video, and give this stuff a try. It's very good. I don't know how much it costs because they sent it to me, but I imagine on their website they'll tell you. Alright, y'all. Until next time, you take care, and may God bless every one of you. I'll see you again soon.